Our first day here in Kyoto. Ito, tanong natin yung team leader. Team leader, where are we going now?
Leader?
Yeah, you're the team leader.
Going to Sanezaka and Ininzaka.
What's there?
It's the old traditional houses of Kyoto.
Oh, really? So how far is it by Grab?
14 minutes going to Yasaka
Okay.
Pagoda.
Okay, ayan na yung magkapatid, oh. Tita Pat, tsaka si Mami Cora, oh. Oh, pareho silang malakas, oh. Walang tukod. Pareho malakas, ah. Walang tukod, ah.
Walang baston.
Walang baston. Oh, yun, oh. Oh, Tita Melba, wala ring baston, oh. Ang galing, ha? Walang baston, oh. Talaga, oh. Yan ang traveler, Tita Melba. Super traveler yan. Oh. Oh, Ma'am Cora, saan kayo maglilibre bukas? Birthday niyo bukas, eh.
I don't know, basta I'll just pay.
You just pay?
Where, yeah.
Kahit saan?
I don't know with them or they booked.
Okay. Okay. So, sino magbubuk?
Sila, Bernard.
Okay.
Tayo nakabook.
Oh, saan daw nakabook para bukas?
Okay. Where's ours?
Okay, busy pa.
Is Montaya Kiyamachi.
Bukas?
Montaya Kiyamachi.
Doon tayo kakain bukas?
Yep.
Ba, mahal doon, ha? Mahal doon. Mahal doon, ma'am. Mahal doon.
Never mind, I'll borrow your credit card.
You borrow my credit card. Okay. O, yan na si Billy, oh.
I don't know where.
Kasama si Noah. Ilang taon ba ang difference nyo, Tita Pat? Ilang taon difference?
4 hours. 4 hours.
4
years.
4 hours lang ang difference nyo. 4 hours?
4 years.
Ha?
4 years.
4 years? Ilang taon ka na ba?
91.
Oh my God! 91 ka na? Galing naman ni Tita Pat. 91 na. Matibay. 91 years old, oh. Diretso lakad, oh. Buti pa siya, diretso maglakad, oh. Ako, kuba na, eh. Tita Pat, diretso maglakad, oh. Ayun. Yun ang sekreto. Kuka ka ng Grab. Uy, nasa Japan tayo, ha. Tama ba? Pwede ba sumakay ng ganyan lang? Oh. Okay. Faster daw. Tita Melba, konting bilis. Oh. Ang bago ni Tita Melba, eh. Let's go, Tita Melba. Yan na, sakay na lahat. Arigato gozaimasu.
Uy, nagkasya sila doon.
Oo, kasya sila. Kasya sila.
Nandun pa sila doon.
Dalawang sasakyan. Ganda ng view dito, habang nakasakay kami ng Grab. Another temple of Kyoto. Yan, kung nagtitipid ka, Lawson is the most famous Lawson. Ano yan ang pinakamura yan. Ayun, kinakausap ni Cole yung ating Japanese driver. Okay, nakaintindihan kayo, Cole? We're going to the temple, ah. Itong maganda, very typical of Japan, no? Parang probinsya lang, hindi tulad ng Osaka at saka Tokyo. Palay buildings. Dito, very typical Japan. Yan, mga shrine. Dito kami bababa yata, ano?
Wait.
Okay, oo. Abay talaga ng mga driver dito.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, Tita Melba. Artista ka ngayon. Oh, ayan.
Tama na yun.
Oo. Oh, yan, while waiting, silipin natin yung mga food, oh. Wow, Japanese food. Ganda ng presentation. Oh, sarap naman ng Japanese ice cream, oh, 350 yen. Okay, so we're going to that temple right in front. Galing, mga naka-Japanese kimono sila, oh. Yun ang pupuntahan namin. The Temple of Kyoto. Yan, hilig ni Cole, oh, mga shoes. Before we go to the temple. Oh, mga made in Japan yung mga shoes. Kasama ba ako? Okay, ha? Okay, smile. Perfect. Yan, pwede palang mag-tour ng ganyan, oh. Okay, oh. That's very nice. Ang ganda naman ng babaeng. Ang ganda naman ng babae nila, oh. Ang galing. Pwede pala yan. Very beautiful. Oh. Oh, Wow, this is a very nice walk pala. Oo, ano yan, Cole? You want, Wagyu beef? Oh, wow. 1,000 Wagyu beef? That's really good right before reaching the temple. Aba, ang cute naman ng tindahan niya, oh. Cute ng tindahan niya. Wow, what a nice. Ganda ng... meron pa siya.
Sushi na one.
Loob sa loob, ang galing. Yan ang gusto ko sa Japan, eh. Madami mga ganyan mga restaurants. Gutom na naman si Cole. Sushi Wagyu in order mo, Cole? Galing, ha? With wasabi. Ito, gusto ko. Stewed tendon curry. Yan ang masarap. Ganda ng mga Japanese stores talaga, oh. And there's more to see. Hindi pa kami nakakarating. Kumakain na si Cole. Dami palang masasarap na kainan dito. Ganda naman ito. Ganda ng bahay. Maliit lang pero maganda. Buti lang we started walking. Hindi na gana mainit, ah. Actually, kung mamamasyal ka lang, the best talaga ang Japan. Sa totoo lang, maganda talaga ang Japan. Very exciting country. Well, it's uphill but not that much. Still walkable. Na pala si Evan, no? Nilampasan ako ni Evan, no? Nauna pa sa akin si Evan. Yan ang masarap, yung matcha. Yan ang masarap na ice cream, matcha.
Oo, matcha.
Tikman mo na yan, Tita Melba. Ito, hindi ito matcha. Strawberry, masarap din to. Oh, ayun na naman yung rickshaw. Dami palang rickshaw dito. 7. Yan, human rickshaw. Galing. Galing. Magkano kaya sumakay dyan? Human rickshaw. Okay, so we are almost here. More shopping on the right, shopping on the left, mga restaurants spread all throughout the temple. Yes, and that's the temple you're seeing right now. Oh, it's food again. It's food again. Bili, anong binibili mo dyan?
Try the Kobe beef.
Oh, Kobe beef? Oh, wow. For 1,000 yen? Are you sure? Wow, my God. Si bumili rin, eh. Si Cole, ganun din ang presyo. Oh, yan ang kinaganda pag merong tourist area, marami ring food. Look at that, ha? Meat wrapped in rice ball. Japanese beef. 1,000 yen, ang mumura, no? Ito siya sabi ko, Miyazaki beef. How can that be true? Yun naman, Kobe beef. Wow.
I got Kobe. Let's try it.
Wow, how can it be that cheap? Oh, ito na naman si Cole. Kakain ka na naman, Cole. Oh my God. Cole, oh.
Also buying in Kobe.
Wow. Puros pagkain ang ginagawa natin dito. How was your, How was your beef? Was it good? Cole, kanina? Yan. Pag tinignan mo, yan na yan. Burn ako na kita. Gusto mo? Ayaw mo? Nice temple.
May tao ba?
Oh, sige, walang tao. Okay. Tama na. Okay, smile. Oh, sandali. May dumadaan na bike. Okay, smile. What? Say it again.
This is Yasaka Pagoda. We go up Sinenzaka and Inenzaka going to Kumidizera, which is another temple.
Pwede ka na palang tour guide.
Pwede na.
What do you call this temple again?
Yasaka Pagoda.
Yazaka Pagoda, ha? Galing ni Claude. Na-research mo to, Claude?
I've been here many times.
Ah, you've been here many times? Wow. Very nice temple. Ayun, si Tita Melba, nagpo-posing kasama si Mami Cora. Oh, smile. Nag-i-smile sila.
Sabi ko na mahal ko.
Yes, photographer nila, Tita Pat.
Namin sa Cole, 16,000.
Cole, ano yung kinakain mo? Huh? That's strawberry cone?
Pero,
That's a strawberry
if you
cone.
stage $24
Oh,
Kobe,
yeah,
you can
go.
get $24.
Yun sila Tita Melba. We continue our walk. Ang laki pala nitong lugar na to. Ang ganda pala ng temple mula from this angle. Oh. Ito vacation rental. How cute naman. Okay. Walking and walking uphill. Oh.
If you notice, this is very popular for photos because they
Yun na nga eh. Popular for photos. Oh. Ayan si Billy siyang photographer. Oh. Hindi, tama yan si Billy Wow. Oh, sige, I'll take you. Thank you, smile. Okay, smile Pinaka-pogi doon si Eva, no, yung nasa harap ko. Sayang against the light lang, pero maganda yung view sana, no. Against the light lang. You have to come here in the morning para hindi against the light.
What do you see there?
Oh, there's little Eva, no.
Pero it's not. Kung ganito na yung tao ngayon.
Mas maraming tao.
Oh my God. Sea of people.
Well, if you go to Kyoto, it would be very interesting to visit this temple. And best time to come here would be about right before sunset, unless you want to walk with the heat of the sun. Grabe, ang dami palang pasyala, no? Meron pa sa baba. Wow! You need one whole day here pala. Grabe naman. Ang daming pasyalan dito. Ako, itong gusto kong pasyalan Pagkain, 4,000. That's pretty good. Lahat na yan kasama sa 4,000. 4,000 is, I think, very reasonable. Ganyan karami. Oh, si Eva, no? Grabe.
That's Saninzaka. These are all the very popular.
Claude, meron pa rito sa baba
Pero kaya ba nila, mami?
Oo, grabe. Ang dami palang lakaran dito. Ayun, Nininzaka. Ayun, Nininzaka pa. Oh, pagod na yung magkapatid. Oh, ma'am. Oh, smile. Okay, smile. Okay. Ayun, si Cole, lagi nag-aayos ng buhok. Yan, puros papogi. Nicole. Wow, ang ganda naman dyan. Ganda naman dito, Berda, sarap naman ito. Wow. With Japanese rice. Sarap na kumain after this walking.
Have it here. I have bites.
Okay, start to walk again. Wow! So nice naman! Very good, Evan. Galing talaga si Evan. Oh, shopping, Evan. Oh, wow. Ang ganda naman ng store na to. Ganda. Very nice. Japanese store. Ah, ganda naman ng mga alak niya, oh. Oh, akit na kami, ha? See you later, Tita Melba. Okay. Ready to walk again? Kayang-kaya, Tita Melba. Saan yun ang masarap? Matcha! Wow, ganda ng mga bilihin dito. Kailangan pala pag nagpasyal ka rito, one whole day. Takko, pagkain na naman yan, oh. Wow, food again. Grabe, oh. Ang ganda ng mga food nila, no, Billy? Good food. Oh, wow, you're eating again. Oh, Noah, that looks masarap, ah. Give me naman, Noah.
Cheese inside. Chicken.
Gutom na dato.
Anong kinain mo?
Kay Noah lang. Binigyan ako ni Noah. Oo. Ganda naman talaga ng Japan. Oh, wow, ang ganda naman ng loob nito. Look at that. So nice to go inside. Oh, yung dami ng tao. Yan, okay, mga nakakimono. Ganda naman ito. Unfortunately, they're closed for today. Oh, may mga seats pa. Kaya pala walang tao. Sayang, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ito. Cute naman. Parang Zen Garden. Okay, exit na. Oh, kabit kasi.
Bilis nila. Antayin lang sila. Where do they wait?
Do it.
Rolini is my...
Oo. Naku, di busog ka na.
Sorry.
Busog na kayo.
Busog na.
Busog na.
Killer ko na siya, masyado na siyang
Ay, may
matarik for you
beer
guys.
dyan.
So do you guys wanna go somewhere,
What did you say there?
well, Humanitarian kasi is all the way up pa. So I already oculared it and
And where's the temple?
it's on top.
On top pa.
On top is the
Can
temple.
you see it?
No, you can't I like
One of the biggest pala. Berna has to see that.
Oh, so hindi na kayo.
Oh,
You go down
wow.
na. Para doon na lang tayo magkita. Okay na, bakit? Ayaw niyo na magpunta doon sa temple?
Pagod na sila.
Wala naman yung kana sa temple.
No, you can. Pero kung sinong gustong sumama, kasi mama still wants to go and see it. So I'll go with her. But if you
take pictures lang and give it to us.
Let's go, Berna.
Are you going up? You're not going up? You should.
Yung mga matatanda, ayaw na tingnan yung temple, pagod na sila. Oh, ganda mag-bike. Okay, ito, mga nakakimono. Hapon na hapon. So, it's going to be a long walk. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Ang dami pang action dun sa taas. Wow. More views. Uy, ang ganda man ng mag-ina ron. Oh. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, uphill. Wow, mabuti na lang. Malakas-lakas pa tayo. Uphill pala to. Si Berna. Iniiwan na tayo. Okay, let's exercise. More exercise. Yun ang kinaganda pala ng Japan. Daming exercise. Yes. Wow. Daming exercise nito. Uphill na uphill. Tabay may mga Japanese restaurants. Ako, sarap naman kumain dito sa restaurant na to. Oh, stopover. Oh, sarap ng mga stopover dito. May pagkain pag sa stopover. Oh, Billy. Daming stopover. Ayan. Wala nang uphill. Naman. Overlooking. Oh, finally, we've reached the top. Meron pa ba?
ito alam ko ang Humanitarian.
Marami pang uphill.
Merong nakalagay.
Aba, marami pa palang uphill, oh. Wala palang katapusan to. Ayun, ang temple nasa dulo. Yun ang temple. Yun ang highlight. Well, you just have to keep on walking if you want to see that temple right below the mountain. Okay, picture taking, oh. Wow, you're so looking also good. Oh, sali ka doon, John. Kuno ko ya, sali ka. Okay. Okay, sali ka, John. Okay. Ayun yung temple sa likod nyo. Smile. Matcha ice cream ang kinakain ng mga to. Oo. Ang dami kumakain ng matcha ice cream. Uso ice cream talaga. Lalo na pag matcha. Yum daw yung ice cream. Oh. Ganda naman ang ice cream house na yan. Wow. Yeah, Claude. Buti hindi mainit, Claude. Yun, pumasok na si Claude. Mura ba, Claude?
4,000
Oh, wow. Grabe. Daming kainan. Ayun yung restaurant, oh. Oy, sus, Mariosep naman. Ito yung pinapakain dito. Panay Japanese food. Masarap. Lalo na yung mga ganyang klaseng pagkain. Nako, sarap nga. Mga itlog ng isda. Pala, may resting area. Pwede naman magpahinga, oh. Okay, rest muna tayo sa mga upuan dito. Ayan, people watching muna. Sila masipag maglakad. Tayo, nakaupo na. Yun yung Japanese restaurant na masarap, oh.